Hello lovely people, it's Eva here from Permaculture Haven, and today I want to show you the Egyptian spinach. Egyptian spinach is a super delicious and very easy to grow and fast growing herb. It is a typical hot summer vegetable or green, and once you have it in the garden you will have it forever because it's reseeding very easily by itself. This plant leaf is really nice and soft, as you can see. These are the little flowers, and I will show you this plant in 3 different growing stages. But back to the plant. It's super rich in potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, ascorbic acid and carotene. It's a very good source of protein, folate, magnesium, vitamins and fiber. Propagation is done by seeds, and this plant really loves full sun. This plant acts as a natural antioxidant that prevents and treats age-related diseases. It helps to treat diabetes, obesity, inflammation, pain, fever, ulcer and heart disease. You can eat the leaves raw in very little amounts, not too much of them in raw stage, because like other spinaches, also the Egyptian spinach got the oxalate acid, the oxalates. We mainly use it in stir fries. I like to add it on top of the pizza, also add it at the end of the cooking, also use it on a pan with like cook it on a pan in little bit of a hot olive oil and garlic. The leaves are really super delicious and have a slightly like a nutty flavor. And the plant looks beautiful as well. And here we have a good example of the stage when the plant is going into seeds. These are the seed pods, which are still closed, and the leaves are getting smaller and disappearing slowly as well. And here another plant which is at the stage where the seed pods are opening by themselves and distributing their seeds everywhere. So you have to be quick to collect the seeds and go and get them in the stage when the seed pods are still closed. Oh, here are the tiny seeds. So I usually don't collect the seeds, but I like to get some from time to time and distribute them in the garden simply by throwing them around in the places they were not growing before. And here, this is basically the last stage of the growth, where we don't see any more leaves, just the open seed pods with some seeds maybe in them, in some of them at least, or like here, the little tiny ones. As you could see on the plants, there are not many bugs, really basically none, even during the summer. That's why I love the plant so much, because it's very easy care and very delicious. And we are back here for the end of the video, where 2 of these have self-seeded themselves in my raised garden bed. And yeah, we are still harvesting them. This one is actually a little late. The other ones are already gone to seeds, and this one decided to to grow here and provide us with delicious food. So I hope you liked the little video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below to let me know what you think. And also, if you grow the plant and if you like the taste, because I love it. Alright, so take care guys, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.